We all believe that physical activity is beneficial to our children's health. But did you know that physically active youngsters have higher academic achievement, memory, and attention? That is correct. They will be more focused, stay on task for longer, and have better recall and short-term memory, and it is a sign of a kid's brain development. Being physically active entails more than just running around and playing outside. Jogging, leaping, and swimming, also known as cardiorespiratory activities or cardio, are beneficial to the heart. Activities that focus on perceptual motor development and fundamental movement abilities are also essential. While both aerobic and motor skill activities promote whole brain function, they excite children's brains in various ways. Thus, we need both to plan and make judgments ranging from simple to complicated. Child brain development activities that include physical activities, cardiovascular exercise, walking, running, dancing, skipping, and leaping are examples of cardio exercises that have been found to boost blood flow and oxygen to the brain and improve brain functioning. It was discovered that children who walked for 20 minutes improved their brain activity, performance on academic achievement tests, and reaction accuracy. Cardiovascular activities promote brain function by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the brain. Brain stimulation is induced by increased oxygen flow to the brain, which recharges the brain and allows it to learn more efficiently. Motor skill. Physical tasks, such as balancing on an unsteady surface or bouncing a basketball, need higher degrees of coordination, balance, and reaction time. It was discovered that bouts of this type of activity result in better focus and attention than those without specific skills, such as simple running. They also discovered that these activities improve working memory and verbal learning. It was also found that providing genuine physical activity classes, such as physical education classes to children aged 5 to 13, improve academic achievement by boosting attention and concentration. To be able to perform a wide range of movements, children must be given the opportunity to practice basic fundamental movement skills such as hopping on one foot, spinning around, and balancing, as well as develop perceptual motor abilities that will help them connect the brain to the body. Remember that these abilities must be taught to young children. We can't expect kids to figure things out on their own. Young children require opportunities to develop abilities that link the body and the brain. Breaks for the mind. It is critical that youngsters get up and move after sitting for extended periods of time. Take a quick walk or dance, then freeze when the music stops. These are commonly referred to as brain breaks. They are brief bursts of physical activity that help reset the brain and increase blood and oxygen flow to the brain and body. In fact, many researchers recommend taking brain breaks after 30 minutes of sitting. Brain breaks require little to no equipment or preparation and should be enjoyable and stimulating. They should incorporate cardiovascular exercises as well as motor skill development exercises such as crossing the midline of the body and forcing the brain to use both sides. Follow the leader, red light, green light, count my moves, and treasure hunt are a few examples. How to improve child brain development. Games like peekaboo and holding toys out to watch aid in the development of a baby's brain. Sing songs with actions and encourage pretend play, coloring, and building blocks and toys. All of these things encourage both imagination and creativity, which leads to kids' brain development. How does physical activity promote brain development? It raises the heart rate, which allows more oxygen to reach the brain. It promotes the production of hormones, which create an ideal environment for brain cell growth. Exercise also improves brain plasticity by encouraging the formation of new connections between cells in numerous cortical areas of the brain. That is how it encourages kids' brain development. Conclusion. Being physically active can affect how we learn, remember, problem solve, and pay attention. It encourages kids' brain development. Cardiovascular activities promote brain development function.